We want to determine between which integers the number x lies. Let's examine each term separately to see its size. For the first term, 2 over 4 equals 1/2. And clearly 1/2 is less than 3/4. Now consider 23 over 44. We see it lies strictly between 1/2, or 22 over 44, and 3/4, or 33 over 44. For the next term, 223 over 444. Notice it is larger than 1/2, which is 222 over 444, but smaller than 3/4, which is 333 over 444. Finally, for the last term, 2223 over 4444. It also fits between 1/2 and 3/4. Now, by adding the leftmost parts, we add 1/2 4 times to get 2. Similarly, adding the rightmost parts, 3/4 4 times gives 3. Therefore, combining these inequalities, we obtain 2 is less than x, which is less than 3. So x lies strictly between the integers 2 and 3. In particular, the integer part, or floor of x, is 2.